Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and I thought we'd take a look at Totallee case. These I haven't used before, but these are the slimmest cases I've ever seen for the new phones anyway, or even some older phones. You can see this is their frosted clear case, and this is for the XS Max. It covers the entire outside in the entire metal ring around the phone, but still gives you decent access to the buttons. So I was pretty impressed with this. It's great in the pocket because it's not too sticky, and this is more if you want to prevent scratching on the phone. It's not going to give you a ton of drop protection, but it does look pretty good. It's branding free, and you'll see it fits really snug. It's very thin and flexible, and they're a little bit hard to remove. Actually, let me show you a different one for the XS. So I have one here. Let's open this up. This is how they come in the package, and this is just the black one for this phone. So you'll see how thin this is. It's very, very thin and goes on like this. So you'll see it's on the phone. It's nice and sleek and works just like you'd think, and you have good access to everything here, although you can't bump them as easily as you could before. So if you push on these, you have to actually push in a little bit, but it's got a nice feel to it. It will not protect the screen at all though, so you'll want to get a screen protector if you're looking for that. I also have one for the phone that's not out yet, the XR, and that will be coming out soon. I actually still have my dummy prototype and I can show you here, but this will fit nicely on a XR if you have that as well. So all of these cases are really nice. This one is not as thin. This one is a little bit more protective. It's more rubberized, and they do offer a variety of different cases. I tend to like the super thin ones. Before these phones, I didn't use a case at all, but now they've gotten so expensive that I kind of feel the need to. And as you can see, they all look pretty good, very slim and minimal, but let me know what you think in the comments below. If you've used them, I'd love to hear your thoughts on them, and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.